Thank you for your purchase of Falcon Tricycle. This fancy tricycle comes with must-have safety and other unique features. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. We will go assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, attach the backrest to the end of the main body by using provided small nut and bolt. Then slide the seat to the center rod of the main body. Adjust as per kids' comfort and fix it by using provided two long nuts and bolts. Now attach the steering head assembly to the main body by using a heavy screw and quarter pin. Let's attach footrest to the bottom of the main body by using provided screws. Next, connect the rear wheel to the back bottom of the main body by using the small nut and bolt on both sides. Follow the same steps to connect the front wheels also. Let's prepare the parental handle for assembly. Then slide the flute pipe from the bottom of the main body to attach the parental handle over it and fix the height as per your convenience. For sunshade umbrella, insert the umbrella pipes inside the available cavity. Insert the front end of the movement rod inside the steering head from bottom and other end to the back end of the main body from top. It will help parents to control the movement of tricycle by turning it left and right. Now, insert provided two AA batteries on the back of the steering head to enjoy colorful LED and music. And for the finishing touch, place the rear basket at the back of the tricycle. The Falcon Tricycle is now ready for use. Enjoy the fun ride or ride of happiness.